Full live. Hey everyone, this is Anirudh, and along with me on the call is my friend Shreyas. Together we are Team
Hello.
Mars Aeternum, and this is our submission for this project, Custos, which is a general purpose COVID prevention timer. Now, what is Custos? Custos is an app that helps you track when items that you brought into your house can safely be touched. And Shreyas will explain why this is a necessity in today's day and age.
We all know that COVID-19 can transmit through surface contact, which makes this application a necessity. One can never be too careful nowadays, and our web app helps you with just that.
So let's see it in action in the demo right now. So let's take you to the website that we have set up. This is our website, Custos. As you can see, we have a landing page which has some onboarding steps, make an account, add items to track, and get notified. That's it. That's literally all that you need to do to get the app working. Some information as to why you might need this and some timing that you should allow for different surfaces. So for metal, it's recommended to wait for 5 days before you touch anything that came from outside that's metal. So on and so forth. Let's start by signing up for an account. Let's call our user guest. Let's say they are guest at guest.com. Obviously not a valid email ID, but let's just, for the sake of brevity, we'll be using this one. So as soon as we sign up for Custos, we see a home page here. It says My List. But before that, let's also introduce you to the bio section where you can edit details about yourself, where you can change your username or maybe your bio or maybe your email ID itself. So say I love technology and save that, and you can see it's reflected in the bio. As soon as we go to the home page, we can add an item to the list. So let's say I just got a parcel from Amazon. So I say Amazon delivery, and let's say I want to wait since it's wrapped in cardboard. Let's just say 24 hours, and I add. And as you can see, having the reference here is very useful. So we add, and you can see that there's an item on the list here that says Amazon delivery for 24 hours, and you can see the countdown timer running actually. For more information, you can click here and you can see arrival, the timestamp by which it's arrived, and the timestamp by which it's safe by. So how this works is, based on the amount of time that you've given that you want to wait, it will calculate the timestamp next, and it will let you know by when you can open it. Just to give you an idea of how it looks like when the time has elapsed, let's say this is a test item, and or maybe something you don't need to expressly leave, say bread, and we say 0 hours, and when we add it, we see that it's safe to consume. So this was our app basically. It also, there are more details here for you whenever you want. And lastly but not least, you can log out and make room for other people to use this kind of thing. And getting back to the presentation now, Shreyas will tell you our future scope for this project.
We have push notifications, which push notifications to your phone. It can be through email or otherwise. And we also think that sharing the items with your family might be useful, or even friends, and taking images of what you want to track.
And lastly, but definitely not the least, thank you judges and thank you Developer Student Club, PESU ECC, for giving us this chance in this kind of time and making sure that we had a lot of fun and learned a lot along the way. Thank you for this opportunity.
Thanks a lot.